To Yardstyle live.
So,
Yeah, man. So when time I buy a record, it was a couple song named Ninja Force. You have the King Jammins. You know, Stone Love, we used to go to a party and watch how the selector mix. And I say, yo, I want to catch how them do the mixing thing. How that song they synchronize with that song they so smooth. Till one day the song Love Rap what I was playing on my road, there was a selector named Scatter.
Scatter.
No, not Scatter.
Scatter.
Yeah, he used to play a song named Ninja Force. Ninja Force is a song that come from Downtown. See it? So Scatter is the youth who really teach me how to mix and how to catch the rhythm. Cause them days a one drop song me and mix in a culture. So when you hear the Kong, that's why him say, Kenny, that's how you have to catch the both of them. Anytime you hear a Kong over there, you must make your Kong reach same time. And that's how I get to learn how to mix. And I say, wow, this feels sweet. And from that day there, never stop. Every day I just keep improving.
All right, so how did you get the link with for work for legendary mixtape man, Cassette Ninja?
Well, that link that come from Jam One,
Jam
Tony,
One,
yeah,
yeah.
because I used to play Jam One sound, you know. And him realize I always come in the studio yard early. And always I play the sound, and I say, rest the sound, Kenny. So him say, here what man, I'm gonna make you mix for somebody. That way you can play music every day. So that's how I get the link with Cassette Ninja now. So I start make mix for Cassette Ninja now. He must say me I build mix too much. And me I make people outside comfortable and I make money and me and I make and him and I make money. So me I say, but don't know nothing, we just a build mix, the name not dead. Your name will get bigger more. You understand?
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.